Good morning with you, Miss Yasmin. We are going to cover today Unit 1, Lesson 1, Part 2, the chemical reaction. Slide number 2. Second, we are going to take the substitution reaction. First, what's meant by substitution reaction? They are chemical reactions which depend on the activity of metal, where the element which is more active substitutes the metal which is less active in another compound. Chemical activity series. It is the arrangement of metal in descending order according to the degree of their chemical activity. As shown here in the figure, we can see the element and the sample. The potassium K, sodium Na, barium, calcium, magnesium, all these elements are more active than the hydrogen element. And below the hydrogen, there are copper, mercury, silver, gold. They are less active than the hydrogen. So the element which is above the hydrogen is more active than the element which is less than the hydrogen. Slide number 3. Substitution reactions are classified into two types: simple substitution reaction and double substitution reaction. Slide number 4. Simple substitution reaction. They are chemical reactions in which one of the elements substitutes another less active element in solution. Here we can see A plus BC. What happened? It will make AC plus B. So the A is more active than B, so it makes substitution. Slide number 5. Types of simple substitution reactions. A. Metal substitutes the hydrogen of water. Number B. Metal substitutes the hydrogen of dilute acid. C. Metal substitute another one in its salt solution. Slide number 6. Metal substitutes the hydrogen of water. It is the forming metal hydroxide and the hydrogen gas evolve. Here we can see active metal plus water, it will make metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. So here if we put small piece of sodium in water, what will happen? It will make pop sound gas hydrogen and sodium hydroxide. Slide number 7. Here we have metal substitution, the hydrogen of dilute acid. We bring 3 test tubes and put in each one dilute hydrochloric acid. In the first test tube we put zinc, in the second we put sheet of aluminium, in the third we put copper. What can we see? The zinc react with hydrochloric acid and the aluminium react with hydrochloric acid, but the copper don't react with hydrochloric acid. Here we can see zinc is active metal, aluminium is active metal. So the zinc plus hydrochloric acid, it will make zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. So the active metal plus acid makes salt of an acid plus hydrogen gas. Aluminium plus hydrochloric acid make aluminium chloride plus hydrogen gas. But we can see here copper plus hydrochloric acid, no reaction, because the copper don't react with hydrochloric acid, can't replace the hydrogen because it is less active in the chemical activity series. Slide number 8. Metal substitute another one in its salt solution. Metal A plus metal B, it will make metal A plus metal B, salt solution and salt solution. Here we can see magnesium, its color is blue, plus copper sulfate, it will make magnesium sulfate, its color is colorless, plus copper, it will make precipitate red. Slide number 9. Double substitution reaction. They are chemical reaction in which a double substitution takes place between ions of two different compounds. Slide number 10. Type of simple substitution reaction. A. Reaction between acid and alkali, which is called neutralization reaction. Reaction between acid and salt. C. Metal substitute another one in its salt solution. Slide number 11. Reaction between acid and alkali, neutralization reaction. Here, neutralization reaction, it is a reaction between an acid and an alkali to form salt and water. So scientific term, what's meant by neutralization? It is a reaction between an acid and an alkali to form salt and water. Here we have sodium hydroxide plus HCl, it will make sodium chloride plus water. Slide number 12. reaction between an acid and salt. Here we can see sodium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid, which is diluted. It will make sodium chloride plus water vapor and gas carbon dioxide. C. Reaction between salt solution. Here we have another example. Sodium chloride plus silver nitrate, it will make sodium nitrate, and AgCl will make precipitate. Slide number 13. Give reason. A white precipitate formed on adding silver nitrate solution to sodium chloride solution. Here we are going to write the equation. Sodium chloride and silver nitrate, sodium nitrate and AgCl, it is the white precipitate. Slide number 14. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction take place to the traditional concept. Here we can see hydrogen plus copper oxide, it will make copper plus water. Here we can see that the hydrogen is a reducing agent and the copper oxide is oxidizing agent. And between the hydrogen and the water, it is called oxidation, and between copper oxide and copper, it is called reduction. Here, slide number 15. We can say that reducing agent, it is the substance which take oxygen, and oxidizing agent is the substance which give oxygen. What's meant by oxidation? It is a chemical process increase in the oxygen percentage, and reduction, it is a chemical process decrease in the oxygen percentage. Slide number 16. Oxidation and reduction. Here, example, reduction of sodium atom and chlorine atom to form sodium chloride molecule. Here we have sodium and chlorine, it will make sodium chloride. And here we have the sodium, and we can show by drawing the electronic configuration of the sodium 281. What sodium make? It will lose one electron and change to positive ion. Here it is called monovalent. Also the chlorine is 287. So the first energy level carry 2 electron, and the second energy level carry 8 electron, and the third energy level carry 7 electron. It is going to gain 1 electron, and it's also called monovalent. So the sodium lose 1 electron, change to positive ion, and the chlorine gain 1 electron and it change into negative ion. So we can say that the sodium is a reducing agent because it lose 1 electron, and the chlorine is oxidizing agent and it is gain 1 electron. Slide number 17. From this example, we can say that the reducing agent is a substance which lose an electron, and oxidizing agent is a substance which gain an electron. Oxidation, it is a chemical process where the atom lose an electron, and reduction, it is a chemical process where the atom gain an electron. 18. Give reason. Oxidation and reduction are processes as they take place at the same time, because the number of gained electron equal the number of lost electron. Slide number 19. Choose the correct answer. On heating sodium nitrate, what color is formed? The color is yellowish white. 2. All the following elements replace the hydrogen of dilute acid except what? Except the gold. Slide number 20. Write the scientific term of each of the following. The reaction of an acid and alkali to give salt and water. It is called neutralization. The substance which an electron or more during the chemical reaction, it loses 1 or more electron, it is called reducing agent. The substance which take oxygen away during the chemical reaction, also it is called reducing agent. Thank you.